Do you know these pictures of Thailand with beautiful green rice fields? This is not it. This is April 2018 and this is Pai in dry season. Pai is about a 4-hour drive by minivan, and the 762 sharp curves are enough to make you vomit.
Hello.
We're in Pai.
Pai,
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 Pai, Pai, Pai, Pai, Pai, Pai, Pai.
Though it's very dry this time of year, we stayed in the Bueng Pai Farm just outside of town. This was a very laid-back piece of paradise, even in dry season.
Hello. Hello.
The town is very laid back, with lots of reggae music and healthy food options. And our favorite spot was Earth Town. They made really good food and they also had a wide range of healthy powders, which made Angela a happy camper.
Hello.
Rent a scooter when you're in Pai.
If you rent a scooter and drive up north, make sure that you rent a scooter of at least 120 cc, and if possible don't drive with 2 people on one scooter.
After paying a ton of money, we're not in Iceland, but we are at the hot spring. Yes. Hot spring, do you want a hot spring? But this hot spring is not so hot, I heard, because it's a little bit up mountain, so up mountain that we barely could, oh here I am, barely could not reach it by motorcycle.
I had to get off and walk.
Yeah, but here we are. How's the water? Warm, yeah?
Like pee warm, like.
Oh, pee, oh, urine, like urine.
The thing about this hot spring, the guy that told us to come here said it wasn't that hot, which is great for this type of weather, but it just feels like that urine pool we were in Iceland.
If you drive even further north, you will come across scenic Phang Mapha. This lookout, close to the border of Myanmar, has a funny 4-person swing and on a clear day probably some amazing views. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.